Alright, so this is slide number 19, cash flow. This is where you see if you pass or fail. If you spend more money you make, you lose 50 points, which means the highest you could have is a 50%. So, you might have to redo some stuff. We go to slide 6. So slide 6, we take what's in the blue. So there's my 4,800. So I take that and I put that in here, 4,800, and I look at what I spent on the other sheet. Alright, I only spent 4,345, so 4,345, which is less than what I make, so that's good. So then I subtract that, and I end up with $455 extra a month. So that's good. I spend less than I make, and that's what you need to do. So if you spent more than what you make, you might have to go back and buy a different house. You might have to buy a cheaper car. Yeah, I mean, there's only certain things you can get rid of. Maybe you can't have phones. Maybe you don't have any television or any internet. I mean, there's different options you can get rid of to make it so you spend less than you make. So that is slide number 19.